Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We do not mix particulars into differences, for they are one. There are absolutely no parts. We are perfect. Our true natures are spontaneously realized. Our experiences of the unborn, the unoriginated, and the unstill are especially clear. Our own minds are primordially perfected in their heart essences. We do not discriminate any difference in any dualistic perfection. The magnificent pervader is the Dharmakāya. It is like the essence of the sky's luminosity. Non-dual wisdom is a great bliss. The middle way is beyond our thought. It does not move. Our three conclusions are perfected in the heart essence of us all. This does not grow or shrink. It is clear. Just so, self-awareness is self-originating. It has no causes or conditions. As for the jhana meditation, our self-origination has been totally pure from the primordial. The playfulness of great bliss is self-evident. Without contrivance we live well. For a mind that is not dualistic, there are no differences. We do not open this, for it is our own heart. From the primordial we have lived within our uncontrived hearts. We do not harbor any dualistic grasping at positions and sides. From the beginning, our compassion has been pervasively encompassing. We are not engaged in this dominion. We renounce going and coming. In intent they are one, so we do not separate them. Clear awareness dawns on us to be a true wisdom. An awareness of our bodies and our speech is perfected in our hearts. The pervasive spirit is a great circle of even taste. The awareness that brings us all together is the space of our minds. It may appear to be anything. We have perfected our spontaneous realization, so our own luminosity is unique. We are faultless, we are one, we are not divided. In the intent of perfection there is no duality, but we use our understandings and the power of our attributions to specify our thoughts just as they are.